Chefman electric warming tray with adjustable temperature control, perfect for buffets, restaurants, parties, events, home dinners, glass top large 21. Family size warming tray. The 21x16 surface hot plate can fit several dishes at once and looks great on any countertop, table, or buffet. The adjustable temperature control and size makes it suitable for family dinners, Sunday football gatherings, holiday meals, or other big parties and events. Keeps food warm all day. The adjustable temperature settings make it easy to quickly heat up your food, while the fuse safety feature keeps the electric tray from overheating, so you can keep your food warm throughout the whole day. You can keep the hot plate on low to keep food warm throughout the day, or adjust to high to heat your appetizers quickly. Should not be left on for longer than 72 hours. 400 watts, compatible with 120-volt outlets. High quality, can be used with all heat-safe cookware and bakeware, aluminum or glass baking pans, casserole dishes, pots, pans and more. Cool touch aluminum handles for convenient transport and added safety. Sleek glass top, sleek space-saving design with black tempered glass top and stainless steel accents looks great on any table or buffet. Revolutionary glass plate design makes cleaning a breeze. Resources, Settle approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability and 1 year provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free. We've got your back. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide. 400 watts 120 volts. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.